How to add cinematic title text. Start by right-clicking in the project panel and select New, Black Video. The default settings are OK for me. Drag the black video into timeline to create a new sequence from it. Adjust the length of black video to be longer than 6 seconds. Now use Type tool and type a text. Then with Selection tool, adjust the length of the text to be like the black video. With the text selected, go to Effect Controls panel and expand the text and change the font and other properties to your liking. Now drag this property to the right to increase the space between letters. Then go to Captions and Graphics tab, and in Essential Graphic panel, just click on these two buttons to align them vertically and horizontally. Now go back to Editing tab. Now move the playhead to the start and set opacity to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to around 2 seconds forward and set opacity to 100 to create the second keyframe. Again, move the playhead to around time 4 seconds and click on the circle button to create a keyframe with current opacity value. Move the playhead to around time 6 seconds and set the opacity to 0, and this will create the last keyframe. Now use this triangle to go to the first keyframe and click on the stopwatch next to scale to create a keyframe. Go to the last keyframe and set scale to around 115 to create the second keyframe. If you look at the text in preview window, you can see that the text starts beginning from the left, and I want it to be from the center. So, double-click on it in preview and drag this small blue circle to the middle. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your text. Again, go to Effect Controls and click next to Source Text to close its properties and see the keyframes and Gaussian blur effect in the same frame. Go to first keyframe and set blurriness to 50 and click on the stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Go to next keyframe and set it to 0. Go to next keyframe and click on the circle. Go to last keyframe and set it to 50. At last, select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and select Auto Bezier. And now, we have this nice cinematic title text transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.